Today I came to visit one outlet called Mohan Garments. This comes in a street called OTC Road, which comes nearby Chickpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Munishan Mansion in second floor, so you can just check. This is a complex. Here in second floor, his outlet is there. One landmark is this HDFC Bank. Right opposite to this, here it's there. So here his outlet is there. You can just have a look. Mohan Garments, exclusive, very big wholesaler in Born Baby kits for boys, girls, A to Z clothes you will get here. This is a total wholesale outlet. Minimum 5,000 you will have to buy. Single piece retail, it's not there. And their product goes to a lot of parts of different parts of India and all. A lot of people they buy from here because you're getting for very cheap price, wholesale price. If you have any more detail, numbers on video screen, you can contact them. They'll send you all details. The packing will come like this box. You can just check entire box piece like this. It will come. And like this is for frocks and all. These kind of packings will come. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Dilip. Hi Dilip, welcome to the show. Dilip, tell me something about your studio. What and all you will get here?
Our shop name is Mohan Garment.
Okay.
It's located in Chickpet, Bangalore.
Okay.
We are exclusive wholesale dealers of kids wear.
Okay.
Both boys and girls will get.
Minimum how much they have to buy?
Minimum 5,000 you have to pay.
Single piece retail not there.
Single piece retail is not available.
Online and offline both. Timing?
Timing from 9 to 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Sunday?
Sunday 9 to 5.
And how many years over for you in business?
We are there from 20 years.
And where and all your product goes like in
Mostly
India?
South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra,
Okay.
and Karnataka.
Okay, and would you like to show any sample? So Dilip, next what you are going to show right now?
You will get frocks from 30 rupees.
Okay.
This particular item is 90 rupees.
Okay, what size to what size we'll get?
1 year, 2 years, 16, 18 size.
Okay. And how much varieties you having in that one? 50, 100?
110, 20, 50
Okay.
varieties you will get.
Next.
These are all samples.
Okay.
Still many designs you'll get.
Okay. Very nice. And what and all fabric we'll get in this?
Jimmy Choo fabric, chiffon fabric,
Okay.
satin fabric, all fabrics you'll get.
Okay. This
This
for...
particular item is 250 rupees.
Wow, very nice. In this how much variety? 1, 10, 20?
10, 20 varieties are there.
Okay.
These are all samples.
Okay. And what do you want to tell about the quality, fabric?
Best
Okay.
collections, best latest trending designs you'll get at budget friendly prices.
No color fading?
No color fading.
अच्छा. और आपका एक कलेक्शन कब चेंज होता रहता है?
Every week.
Every week. Okay. And so just connect with him in WhatsApp. You will be getting regular updates. Born Baby, boys, girls, you will get here. Very nice here. Nice.
Angry pattern, trending pattern.
Nice. Okay. Starting price is 30, but all prices are different.
Different.
Okay. Depending on quality and price.
This is 180 rupees.
Very nice. Sleeveless.
Sleeveless.
Okay.
This is Dangi pattern.
Very nice. Okay. So people who are wholesaler, for them it's a very great opportunity. Resellers. You can come here. You can connect with him.
Our shop specialty is both premium range as well as low budget.
Low
friendly
budget.
prices. Both you'll get.
You'll get all types.
All types.
Nice. Okay.
This is 180 rupees.
180.
Skirt and top.
Okay. So you get both Indo-Western
130
here.
rupees.
Indo-Western,
Both
ethnic
frocks
wear
and
also.
western, ethnic wear, all you'll get.
Superb. Nice.
This hot pant.
Your product goes out of India also.
Out of India, Sri Lanka,
Okay.
Dubai.
So a lot of
Also.
people they buy and they have put a lot of videos on YouTube. So you can come here and visit. Oh, what's
Ozri
it?
item. This particular item is 65 rupees.
Oh,
You'll get from 48 to 150. Many
Superb.
varieties.
nice. Okay.
Premium ranges also we have.
Okay.
The box packing.
Okay. Nice.
Get with panty.
Superb. Nice, yeah. Very nice. Superb. Cool. Okay. Next, Dilip, what are you going to show?
These are all long gowns from
Okay.
22 to 32 size.
Okay.
These are all 350 plus range.
Okay. What age to what age we'll get this?
5 to 15 years.
Okay. In this, what and all fabric we'll get?
Net fabric, satin fabric,
Okay.
chiffon fabric, Jimmy Choo fabric, all fabrics are available.
How much varieties are there? 120, 30?
30, 40 varieties are available.
Okay. Okay, like this also you'll get here.
These are all samples. Many designs you'll get.
Okay.
This is ethnic wear
Oh wow.
with separate top.
हम्म।
Sarara model.
एथनिक वेयर में क्या क्या मिल जाएगा इधर?
Sarara models,
अच्छा.
choli model,
Okay.
pattu model, all you'll get.
Next, what you'll show?
Born baby items.
Okay. Any starting price?
From 50 rupees you'll get.
Okay. And
This particular item is 70 rupees.
okay. What age to what age?
From born baby to 5 years.
5 years. Oh, इधर boys का कितना उम्र तक मिलता है आपके पास?
15 years.
15 years. अच्छा. ये सूट.
Suit best.
ये
Hot
क्या
selling
भाई
item
लाइट
of
के साथ आ गया क्या?
With light.
वाओ.
Only
एक बार
280
फिर से दिखाओ.
280 rupees.
वाओ. 280.
280. Hot
क्या?
selling item.
Superb यार. ये till what age we'll get that?
8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years.
This is cord set.
Oh, cord set also. Nice.
Only 150 rupees.
Wattage to wattage?
3 to 8 years.
3 to 8 years. How many varieties you have in cord set? 10, 20?
10, 20, 15. Different prints.
Very
you get.
nice collections, yeah, this time.
Baba suit, 90 rupees.
Okay.
Only 90 rupees.
Oh, this is Baba suit.
Baba suit.
Okay.
Ethnic wear.
Wow. Starting price?
From 180 rupees you'll get.
Wow. Wattage to wattage will get?
From born babies to 15 years.
Nice. Very nice. In this one,
This
how much
combo
varieties? Very nice, yeah.
You'll get this
Okay. And you will have gift set also.
gift set also. Yeah.
Okay. In this one, how many varieties you having? One 20?
10, 20 varieties.
Western wear. Okay. T-shirt and
Baba suit.
Okay.
T-shirt and shorts.
Okay.
With box packing you'll get. This particular item is 250 rupees.
250. Okay. Next. Very reasonable. All wholesale price.
Shirt and pant.
Okay. Wattage to wattage will get here.
From born baby to 15 years.
Any starting price in this?
This is 180 rupees.
180.
This particular item is 180 rupees.
Okay. All prices are different.
Different.
Next.
You'll get premium quality in shirt and pant.
Nice. Okay.
With box packing you'll get 350 rupees.
So full set only they have to buy. Shirt,
Full
pant. Okay.
This type
Ethnic. Very nice. Yeah. This is.
with box packing you'll get.
Okay. Nice.
These are all 500 plus items.
Very nice. Okay.
These are all samples. You'll get many varieties in this.
For today, this much only. We'll meet you in another new happening episode.